Hello, welcome to my channel Shibu Arts and Craft. Today I will show you a paper cut design, a flower making. First we have to take A4 size paper and we have to make it square shape. This way we will make the paper square shape. Follow the instruction. This is the first fold, then it is second fold. Follow the fold line, how the paper is fold. It is the main process. After complete the fold, then we have to draw the cut line. We have to properly fold the paper. The edge line, all the fold edge line will be same line. If the paper fold is nice, then the cutting will be nice and it will be a good shape. The fold line is complete. Now we have to cut and draw the cutting line. So follow the instruction and practice properly. It is very easy to make a paper cut design. Then we can use it to our home to decorate any wall and another place. So enjoy the video.